Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of bacteria. You won't believe some of these incredible facts. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open as we explore the unseen world that surrounds us, teeming with trillions upon trillions of these microscopic marvels. So strap on your thinking caps and get ready to explore the amazing world of bacteria. We always talk about how old dinosaurs are, right? Well, bacteria have been around way longer than T-Rex and Stegosaurus. These single-celled organisms have been around for over 3.5 billion years. That means bacteria were already thriving on Earth while it was still cooling down, way before plants and animals even existed. We're talking serious ancient history here, folks. To put that in perspective, imagine a stack of pancakes reaching all the way to the moon. Well, bacteria were already here when the stack was just a few inches high. They've witnessed the whole history of life on Earth, from the very first single-celled organisms to the incredible diversity we see today. So, how do we know bacteria have been around for so long? Well, scientists have found fossilized evidence of bacteria in some of the oldest rocks on Earth. These fossils are like tiny time capsules, giving us a glimpse into what life was like billions of years ago. Think about it. For billions of years, bacteria were the only living things on our planet. They shaped the Earth's atmosphere, creating the conditions for life as we know it to evolve. Pretty impressive for something so small, right? You might think you're a pretty big deal, and you are. But did you know you're also a walking, talking ecosystem? That's right, you're carrying around more bacterial cells than human cells. It's true. For every one of your cells, there's about 10 bacterial cells hitching a ride. That might sound a little creepy, but don't worry, most of these little guys are harmless, and many are actually beneficial. They help us digest our food, produce vitamins, and even protect us from harmful bacteria. Think of your body as a bustling city, and bacteria are the residents. They're everywhere. On your skin, in your mouth, and especially in your gut. And just like in a city, there are good neighborhoods and bad neighborhoods. The good bacteria keep things running smoothly, while the bad bacteria can cause trouble if their numbers get out of control. It's all about balance, folks. Talk about being tough. Some bacteria can survive in conditions that would make a tardigrade flinch. We're talking boiling hot water, freezing cold ice, and even radioactive waste. These incredible microbes have evolved to withstand some of the most extreme environments on Earth. Imagine a place so hot that water boils instantly, or so cold that everything freezes solid. Now imagine a tiny bacterium thriving in those conditions, no problem. That's the power of adaptation at work. These extremophiles, as scientists call them, have special adaptations that allow them to thrive in these harsh environments. Some have enzymes that function at extremely high temperatures, while others have proteins that prevent their cells from freezing solid. Studying these extremophiles is helping scientists understand the limits of life on Earth and even search for life on other planets. Who knows, maybe one day we'll find bacteria thriving on Mars or Europa. Bacteria are like the unsung heroes of the ecosystem. They play a crucial role in keeping our planet clean and healthy. Think about it. What happens to fallen leaves, dead trees, or even, well, when something dies? It doesn't just sit there forever, does it? Nope. Bacteria and other decomposers break down all that organic matter, releasing nutrients back into the soil. It's like nature's very own recycling system. Without bacteria, our planet would be buried in mountains of waste. And that's not all. Some bacteria are nitrogen fixers, meaning they take nitrogen from the air and convert it into a form that plants can use. Nitrogen is essential for plant growth. So without these nitrogen-fixing bacteria, our world wouldn't be the same lush green place it is. So next time you see a plant growing, thank a bacterium. They're working hard behind the scenes to keep our planet alive and thriving. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Bacteria, germs, disease. And yes, it's true that some bacteria can make us sick, but it's important to remember that not all bacteria are harmful. In fact, many bacteria are essential for our health and well-being. Let's talk about digestion, for example. Did you know that your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that help you break down food and absorb nutrients? These friendly bacteria, often called probiotics, are essential for a healthy digestive system. And it doesn't stop there. Some bacteria even help our bodies produce vitamins. For example, certain types of bacteria in our gut produce vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting. So the next time you hear the word bacteria, don't just think of the bad guys. Remember the trillions of helpful bacteria that are working hard to keep you healthy every single day. It's all about balance, folks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about bacteria, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing science facts. We've only scratched the surface of the incredible world of bacteria, but I hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for these tiny organisms that play such a big role in our lives. Remember, bacteria are everywhere, and they're not all bad. So next time you think about bacteria, remember the good, the bad, and the downright amazing.